Hey friends, today we're making a super stylish turtleneck top. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. I'll walk you through step by step, from cutting the fabric to sewing it all together. So grab your fabric and let's get started. I'm working with 1 meter of fabric that has a nice stretch to it. Double fold the fabric twice, so we're working on both the front and back pieces at once. Check that your fabric width matches your bust. That's the widest part we're fitting to. Make a straight line across. That'll serve as the shoulder line for our pattern. From that guide line, measure down your desired top length, plus 2 inches for allowance. Go ahead and cut along the lines we just marked. Go ahead and mark 7 inches across the shoulder line. This equals shoulder divided by 2. Measure 3 inches across. That's going to be your neck width. Mark 3 inches down for the front neck depth, then mark 1 inch for the back neckline. Go down 1 inch from here. This will form the slope of the shoulder. Now, draw a line to join this point with the neck width. Measure down 7.5 inches for the armhole. That's the formula. Bust divided by 6, plus 1.5. Go ahead and find the center point, then make a mark right there. Mark 1/2 inch inside. This will give us the front armhole curve. At the waistline, measure 1/4 of your waist size, then take off 1 inch. Since this fabric stretches, we don't need to add any seam allowance. We'll start by cutting out the back piece first. Let's move on and cut the neckline and armhole for the front part. Place the right sides of the fabric together, then stitch along the shoulders and sides. The next step is working on the sleeve piece. Measure out the sleeve length and be sure to add 2 extra inches for folding. Mark the inch down. Now, sketch a smooth curve here to shape the armhole. At the sleeve's bottom edge, measure and mark 6 inches. Cut it out. Repeat the same process for the second sleeve, or simply copy the first one. First fold the hem at the bottom, sew it, and then join the side seams. Now, let's join the sleeves to the bodice, line them up and stitch along the armhole. Alright, let's move on to the turtleneck now. Go ahead and take the measurement all the way around the neckline. Go ahead and cut your turtleneck section, 18.5 inches across and 7 inches down. To make it fit better, I reduced the turtleneck width by 2 inches, and now the head passes smoothly. Line up the right sides together and sew to join them neatly. Go ahead and fold the fabric just like I'm showing you here. Now, let's sew the turtleneck piece onto the neckline. As you attach the turtleneck, give it a gentle stretch. It's about 2 inches smaller than the neckline. I went ahead and finished the hem along the bottom edge. And that's it. Your handmade turtleneck top is ready. Super simple, super stylish, and all done by you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY fashion projects, and share this video with a friend who loves sewing. Drop a comment below if you try making your own turtleneck. I'd love to see your creation.